current I value using superposition theorem. Okay, superposition theorem find I. So that current is going in 2 ohms resistance. So first step is step 1. So to apply the superposition theorem, what you have to do? First step is to consider only one source and short the remaining source. So let us consider 2 volts source only. So this is 2 ohms resistance. This is 1 ohm resistance, 3 ohms resistance, and this is your 12 ohms resistance. So 12, 2, 1, okay, 3. This is your 2, and this is short circuit. This is short circuit. Now this is your 2 volt source. This is your 2 volt source. Now find the current. To find the current, what I have to do? I have to first calculate this IT. So IT is equal to V by ZT. So ZT is the total impedance between these points. So 3 and 2 are in parallel. So 3 into 2 by 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. How much it is? 6 by 5. How much?
1.2.
1.2. 1.2 is in series with 1 ohm resistance, right? So 1.2 plus 1. 1.2 plus 1, that is equal to 2.2 ohms. 2.2 and 12 are in parallel. So 2.2 into 12 divided by 2.2 plus 12. How much?
1.8.
1 point. Entama?
1.85.
1.85.
5.
And that 1.85 and 2 are in series. So 1.85 plus 2. How much? 2.85. So that ZT is equal to 2.85. So IT is equal to 2 by 2.85. How much?
0.701.
0.701 amperes. So IT is 0. Amma,
3.85, sir. 3.85.
3.85 కదా సార్
yeah, 3.8 కదా. Very good. So ఇక్కడ 3.85. ఎంత వచ్చింది?
0.519.
0.519 amperes. Okay. So this 0.519 is dividing here, no? So here how much is the voltage? Sorry, what is the circuit here? 2 volts. From here 0.519, and that is being divided across 12, and what is the total equivalent resistance here? 3, 2. 1.2 plus 1, 2.2. So 2.2. So calculate the current that is going into this 2.2. This is 12, this is 2.2. So I 2.2 is equal to opposite resistance 0.15519 into opposite resistance 12 by 12 plus 2.2. How much it is?
0.438.
0.438 amperes. Where I should write is 0.438 here. 0.438. So this 0.438 is divided in these two resistances, 2 and 3. Okay, 0.438. So I want this 2 ohms resistance, right? So I in 2 ohms resistance is equal to 0.438 into what is opposite resistance? 3 ohms. 3 by 3 plus 2, that is 5. Tell me the answer.
262.
0.26.
0.262.
0.262 amperes is the current. Okay, because of this 2-volt source. Okay, because of this 2-volt source, how much current is going into this 2 ohms resistance? 0.262. Okay, so in the next step, what we have to do? We have to short this 2-volt source. Okay, this is 2 ohms, 1 ohm, 3 ohms. Okay, and this is your 2 ohms, and this is your 12 ohms. Okay, so you have to short this, and here 4 volts will be there. This is how much? 3, 2, 12, 1, 2. So here also you have to find IT. So IT is equal to VT by V by ZT. So what is ZT? See here, 2 and 12 all in parallel. So first step is 2 and 12 divided by 2 plus 12. How much?
1.714.
1.7.
1.714 ohms. This 1.714 and 1 are in series. So 1 plus 1.714. 2.714 is the resistance in the second step. Second step. Third step is that is parallel with 2 ohms resistance. So the third step is 2.714 into 2 divided by 2.714 plus 2. How much?
1.3.
Ma?
1.15.
1.1.
1.151.
1.1.
Next, 1.15 and 3 are in series. So, as a fourth step in calculating Z, T 3 plus 1.15, that is equal to 4.5
4.15.
ohms. That is equal to your ZT. Now you tell me what is IT. IT is equal to
0.96 amperes.
4 divided by 4.15. How much?
0.96.
0.96 amperes. So from here, how much current is coming? 0.96. Okay, 0.96 is coming. Now, what is the voltage up to this? So 2 and 12 are parallel, that is 1.74. So 2 point. So I am drawing the circuit here. This is your IT coming through 3 ohms resistance. Okay, so here it is 3 ohms resistance. Okay, and that is going into 2 ohms, and the total resistance, how much? 2 and 12, 1.7144 plus 1, 2.714. Okay. So this is 2.714. 2.714. So current division rule apply because I want only the current in this 2 ohms resistance. So I in 2 ohms resistance is the total current. How much? 0.96 into 0.96 into opposite resistance 2.714 divided by 2 plus 2.714. How much it is?
0.55.
Hmm?
0.55.
ఎంతమ్మా?
0.55.
0.55, sir.
0.55 amperes. Okay, so this is I2 dash, this is I2 double dash. Why I'm making it as dash? Because it is because of 2 volt source. This is because of 4 volt source. I in 2 ohms because of 4 volt 2 volt source. 2 volts source. Okay, and this is because of 4 volt source. And the total current I2 is equal to I2 ohms dash plus I2 ohms double dash. That is equal to 0.262 plus 0.55. How much?
0.812.
0.812 amperes. So 0.812 amperes. So this is the current which is flowing in the 2 ohms resistance.